morning students, welcome back to Gurudeva online classes. Yes my dear one, what we have discussed in the last class? Yes, it is about addition and subtraction of lengths, right? So now come to our today's new concept. So students, before starting to our class, we will revise by doing our previous class. See, here are two problems. You have to solve according to our yesterday's concept, right? The first problem, it is 27 centimeter plus 45 centimeter, right? So first you have to add the numbers in ones after tens, right? See, first you have to add 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5 is 12, right? So it is 12 ones. So now I am regrouping this 12 as 110 plus 2 ones, right? So I am writing this 2 here, and next I am writing this one in the tens column, right? So now come to the tens column. The numbers are 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is 6, right? So 6 plus this one. 6 plus 1 is 7. So write down here 7. See here, 27 centimeter plus 45 centimeter. It gives the sum as 72 centimeter, right? So now come to the second one. It is 89 centimeter minus 50 centimeter, right? So first you have to subtract the numbers in ones column. That is 9 minus 0. So what is 9 minus 0? It is 9 itself, right? So 9 minus 0 is 9. So now come to the next one. That is 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? So 8 minus 5 is 3. So write down here 3. So after that write down cm, that is centimeter, right? Students, 89 centimeter minus 50 centimeter, it gives the difference as 39 centimeter. So my dear students, so this is about our previous class. So now come to our today's new concept. Do you know what is that? Yes, it is a word problems. Students, so see here, this is the first word problems. So already you know what is a word problems, right? So in length also we have word problems. So here, this is the first one. I am reading the first word problem. Listen here. Ant climbs up 20 centimeter and continues to walk 35 centimeter. How much distance does it cover? Students, do you see an ant? It is a small insect, right? See, one time what happened? This ant climbs up something. For example, I am taking a wall, right? So this ant climbs up this wall. At first it covers 20 centimeter. So after some time, what happens? It again climbs up the wall. See, it continues to walk. How many centimeter? 35 centimeter. First it walks 20 centimeter. After some time, again it continues to walk 35 centimeter. See here, first this is the distance. First the ant climbs up from down to up at 20 centimeter. So after some time what happened? It continues, right? It continues and it is moving in a line, right? It continues how many centimeters? 35 centimeter. So now you have to find out how much distance does it covers. So now you have to find out total distance does this ant cover, right? So first you have to add these two numbers, then you are getting the total distance, right? So students, now you have to solve this problem by writing a correct words. So which is the first one? That is ant climbs up. How many centimeter? It is 20 centimeter, right? So next, after some time what happened? It continues to walk. So how many centimeter? That is 35 centimeter. So my dear students, the next statement is walks along 35 centimeter. Walks along 35 centimeter. So if you add these two numbers, you are getting a total distance, right? So write down here total distance. So now I am adding these two numbers. here I am adding these two numbers, right? So I am writing here symbol of addition, that is plus. See, 0 plus 5. What is 0 plus 5? It is 5. Okay. So next, come to the next one, that is 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is again a 5. So 20 centimeter plus 35 centimeter, it gives the sum as 55 centimeter. So this is the total distance covered by the ant, right? So students, this is the conclusion statement, right? The ant covers a distance of 55 centimeter, right? So this is the answer. Okay. So students, so now I will move to the next problem. Students, so now come to the second one. It is Raja is 180 centimeter tall and Lattu is 153 centimeter tall. So students, here is two boys. The first one, that is the first boy, his name is Raja, and the second boy, his name is Lattu, right? Here they gave their heights. So here Raja's height is 180 centimeter and Lattu's height is 153 centimeter, right? See, who is taller? So students, observe here, Raja's height is 180 centimeter, right? And Lattu's 153 centimeter. The question is like this, who is taller and by how much? See, in 180 and 153, which is the big one? 180, right? So, Raja is a taller boy, right? By how much? So, how can you find the answer? Yes, you have to subtract the number 153 from 180. Then you are getting the difference. So, which is the first statement? That is Raja's height. So, students, who is 180 centimeter tall here? Raja, right? So, write down here. 180 centimeter. Okay. So, next, come to Lattu. Lattu's height. How much is there? 153. So, write down here 153 centimeter. So, next, the question is who is taller? Already you know Raja, right? Because he is a tall man. He has 180 centimeter. It is a big number, right? Raja is a tall boy compared to Lattu. So next question is by how much? By how much Raja is taller than Lattu? So you have to find out the difference. Then you are getting the answer. See here, I am subtracting these two numbers. So I am keeping symbol of subtraction, that is minus. So come to the ones column, it is 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3, it is not possible to subtract, right? So what can we do? We can take a borrow from the tens column. So here 0 will borrow 110 from tens column, right? So now it is not 0, it is 10. So after giving borrow, this 8 becomes 7, right? See, 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is equals to what? 10 minus 3 is 7. So write down here 7. So next, 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? 7 minus 5 is 2. So write down here 2. So next, come to hundreds column. It is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So write down here 0. So what is the difference here? 27 centimeter. So here Raju is 27 centimeter taller than Lattu, right? So after this, write down the conclusion statement. So students, so here Raja, he is a tall boy, right? So Raja is taller than Lattu. By how much? 27 centimeter, right? So students, so this problem I will change the numbers. So in the same way you have to do in your home. Okay? Problem, I am changed the number here, right? I showed how to solve this problem. So in the same way you have to solve this problem in your home, right? So students, in this class you learnt about word problems, right? So now I will move to the textbook activity. So this activity, it is in the page number 95 in your textbook, right? So here is an exercise number 2.5 and here is the headline. I am reading, all of you listen here. Solve the following in your notebook. Students, so this is an first word problem in the exercise number 2.5. See, first I am reading this word problem. Listen here. A shopkeeper sold 5 meter of cloth to Mr. Roy and 70 meter cloth to Mr. Sharma. Altogether, how much cloth did he sell? So students, so here is one cloth center, right? Here is a shopkeeper, right? So this shopkeeper, he sold some cloth. So the first purchaser, its name is Mr. Roy, right? So this shopkeeper sold 5 meter of cloth to Mr. Roy, right? And the next person, that is Mr. Sharma, right? So the same shopkeeper, the Mr. Sharma, he purchased 70 meter of cloth from a shopkeeper, right? So here you have to find out how much cloth did he sell. This shopkeeper, how much the total cloth sold by this shopkeeper. Means you have to add these two numbers, a 5 meter and a 17 meter, then you are getting the total cloth did he sell, right? So students, so you have to solve this problem step by step by writing with the correct statement, right? So which is the first one? That is cloth sold by Mr. Roy. How much? That is 5 meter, right? So this is the first statement. Students, the first statement, it is cloth sold to Mr. Roy. How much? It is 5 meter, right? So write down here 5 meter. Okay. The next one. The cloth sold to Mr. Sharma. How much? 17 meter. So write down here 17 meter like this. So 5, it is only a single digit, but 17, it is a 2-digit number, right? So now look here. Total cloth shopkeeper sold. Means you have to add these two numbers. Then you are getting the total cloth sold the shopkeeper, right? So now I am adding these two numbers. So come to the 5 meter. Its tens place is absent, right? So I am writing 0 here. So I am adding these two numbers. So this is the symbol of addition. See, 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12, right? It is 12. So I am writing this 2 here and I am giving a carry to the tens column, this one, right? So now we have to add the numbers in tens column. See, 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, right? So next 1 and this plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So what is this? This is 5 plus 17 is equals to 22 meter. So this is the total cloth shopkeeper sold, right? So students, after this you have to write down the conclusion statement. Students, so this is the conclusion statement, that is the shopkeeper sold 22 meter of cloth, right? So students, I showed how to solve this first problem, right? So now I will change the numbers. You have to solve that problem in your home, right? So students, the same problem I changed only the numbers, right? So this problem you have to do in your home. So now I will move to the second problem. So students, I am reading the second problem. All of you listen here. Raju drew a 56 centimeter long line. Rohan extended the line by 24 centimeter. What was the total length of the line? So here is a two boys. The first name is Raju and the second one is a Rohan, right? So first the Raju, he drew 56 centimeter line, right? After that the Rohan, he extend the line by 24 centimeter, right? You have to find out what was the total length of this line. So at first the length of the line is 56 centimeter, that is drew by Raju, right? So after that the Rohan extend the same line by 24 centimeter, right? So students, here you have to add these two numbers. then you are getting the total length of the line, right? So this is a same problem what I did in the last one, right? So this problem you have to solve in your home. So now I will move to the next problem, students. So now come to the third problem. I am reading, listen here. A 46 centimeter long stick was broken into two pieces. One piece was 25 centimeters long. How long was the other piece? So students, here is a problem. It is about a stick. So look here, just imagine. This is a stick, right? Its length is 46 centimeters. The total length of this stick is 46 centimeters, right? See what happened. Look here. It was broken into two pieces. See here. Now I am cut this stick into two pieces, right? See, look here. It was broken into two pieces. See, here is a two pieces, right? See, next. One piece was 25 centimeter. Here is a two pieces, right? The length of this piece is 25 centimeter. Right? Now you have to find out the length of the other stick. Right? See here, at first this is one complete stick, right? So the total length is 46 centimeter. So after broken, here is a two pieces. Here the length of this piece is 25 centimeter. So now you have to find out the length of this piece. Means here you have to do a subtraction operation, right? So students, so now you tell me which is the first statement? The length of the stick, right? Students, the first statement, that is length of the stick. How much? It is 46, right? So write down here 46 centimeters, right? So next, length of the broken stick. So how much? It is 25 centimeter. Write down here 25 centimeters. Okay. So next, you have to find out the length of the other stick. Means you have to do a subtraction. You have to subtract these two numbers. Then you are getting the length of the other stick. Right? So first, I am subtracting the numbers in the ones column. That is 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? Yes, 6 minus 5 is 1. So write down here 1. So next, come to the tens column. So 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 is 2. Write down here 2. See here, it is 21 centimeters. So this is the length of the other stick, right? So students, what is the conclusion statement? The length of the other piece was 21 centimeter. So write down here. Students, so this is the conclusion statement. The length of the other piece was 21 centimeter. Right? So students, I showed how to solve the third problems along with a first problem. Right? So you have to solve the second and fourth problem in your home. Okay? Okay students, in this class you learned about problems of length. Right? You have to solve the remaining problems in the exercise number 2.5. So those are a second one and the fourth one, right? Okay students, in the next class I will teach with a new concept. Okay students, bye.